There.
Oh, what?
Hi guys. Today is a special video. We're doing what map could give you the most ores? And look, we're twinning, except the hat.
Yeah.
We're doing a clan.
Yeah, true.
We only need 2 more people. It's the dog cleaning where you have to have the toasty jacket, the AC glasses, one of these hats, and your color
Not exactly one of these hats.
And you have to be a dog. And you have to be a dog.
Yes.
All right.
It's a dog clan.
Come on.
But if you didn't hear what he said, we're gonna be just doing the from the 2 last.
Your bag.
So let's go. So if you're new to the game, this is what you want to do. So you don't have.
Shut up! Nobody's new to the game anymore, bro.
Yeah, that's kind of true. But if you are, just get this bag. But yeah,
get a flashlight.
Carry.
We're gonna need flashlight.
Yes.
Wait, where's the first? Where's the first spot?
If you're new, you really care. Over there.
Over there? Where's over? Oh, Haunted Mansion.
No, not Haunted Mansion.
Then where?
Follow me. Get 2 rockets. I mean, like.
You don't even need 2 rockets. You just need a grappler. Bro, you're wasting like minutes of the video, bro.
Follow me. Down here. What? Did they change it? There used to be like a little spot where you could get money.
You just gotta go up with the grappler.
There's a wall there. So, first money making method we're going to go
it's this way.
Is Haunted Mansion. That's
that's a Haunted Mansion. That's Armstrong Cave.
If you come down here, you can find Rock Monkey. And like
it's
I said,
Armstrong.
Armstrong, my bad.
Damn idiot.
And you can find a ton of stuff on the ground that you can collect like back and sell that money.
I killed him.
Like the worst. That's good. Money making method.
I mean, if you just want to have fun, this is probably the best. Oh my.
I mean, like, if you don't want to go to the like dangerous spots that are really dangerous, this is for you.
See, guys, watch. Oh fuck! Watch out! Oh, Daddy!
Get him to fall in the lava! Get him to fall in the lava! Get him in the...
Did I kill him?
No.
Kill him.
I can't.
You don't have a weapon?
No, I've never brought one. I'm just gonna take you out of here.
Just die. Just die.
No.
Now go back in. Hurry. I'm about to get killed. I'm dead.
Oh, wait.
It doesn't even matter, bro.
Just come back. Okay, so he died, so I'm going to
said? I'm just gonna buy new stuff, bro. I don't really feel like... Okay, guys, I died because something done.
Start.
Oh my, yeah, I'm already here. I'm already there.
We're going to the next method.
No? We didn't even get anything here, so we can't. Never mind, just go to,
Come to spawn.
No, I'm not fucking going to spawn. I'm going to the Haunted Mansion. Come on, bro. Look at this ugly dude. Come on.
Alright. Caves is the next one. Just wait for the best method. It's really good.
I can't even see shit.
I have a light. Just go to red light, green light, and stay on the roof. Do not just walk through.
Yo, where did you go, bro?
Where you at? It's right there.
Okay.
Come on.
Fuck. Door.
Cut it clear out. Down here. It's in here.
Where?
Alright, let's go. I got it.
I don't see the exit. Oh.
Come on.
Fuck, you scared me. Watch me just break it open. Don't look. I'm breaking it. I'm breaking it. This is
Keep
another way to
breaking
open it.
Yes.
See? You didn't see those keys.
Yeah. Didn't see the key.
What keys, I mean? How the fuck?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm getting these.
Alright, and down here you need a pickaxe.
You're gonna want the blue.
The blue one.
Bro, is she cheating? Yo, I just found a bunch over here by me. Just mind all of them. Bro, I don't even need the money. It's for my viewers. Alright, come on, let's drop. I'm heavy.
Play, I'm not full.
Alright, come on, I'm full. Yeah.
And I did not mean to drop it. But yeah, nope, not anymore. I was gonna say you can buy a ray gun, but nope, not anymore. And people tell you how much this sells for.
If you own one, you can move it.
Sure.
Bro, I'm so fat. I'm legit so fat, bro.
So.
Like, bro, my money will talk. Watch out. What's up? Guys, can someone put this in an edit real quick? Money talks. Money talks.
Yeah, someone put that in
Dirty
an edit.
cash. Dirty cash. I need you all. Alright, so. Money talk.
Bad.
Somebody edit this. Money talk. Dirty cash. I want.
That
Dirty
if
cash.
you get that much.
Shut your broke
7K
ass
right
up.
Okay, now next one, caves.
Let me know.
So this one we will go through some areas.
Wait for me, Bombadillo Krogodillo.
Okay.
Maddox, make sure to watch this vid.
Okay. Copper is one where you can get money. It's not.
It's ass. Never even look at copper.
No, I mean like if you mine it, there's a chance. But
That you get the
copper,
big
when
chunk.
you sell it, you don't get anything. So now, either way with these, the silver.
Oh my, yeah.
But down here, and also with the gold.
You can get company coins.
And we could have done this.
Damn.
Just fall it down. So we're only gonna go from here. Here we go.
And you guys just want to collect them down here?
Okay, so I'm going.
Let's collect
sewers.
So this you can get a lot of money also, but now the best sewers. Now along with this.
Hubbush, mubbush, what the fuck? Okay. See, this one we didn't get a lot, but we got some. Or I got some. You probably got most of it. If I land this pickaxe, you guys gotta subscribe. Yeah. Let me get my pickaxe.
For this. Gotta go.
You gotta go. You have to get off. Alright. Guys, and that's the end. Goodbye, enjoy. And the best one is sewers. You need all of these but a nut shredder and a pickaxe. Yeah, and you don't need a backpack. Nope. Goodbye.